Okay.
Is that the doorbell? I wonder who's here. Oh, it looks like a delivery. What could it be? Oh, do you have a delivery for me? I think, is it a big one? I've been expecting a big one. Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. Do I need to sign for it? Okay. Give you a little pen there. Okay. Look at this. I'm getting my new Destiny. Thank you so much for delivering it. Can you imagine? Here it is, my Destiny 2. I can't wait. Let's get the name here. See, oh, they covered up the name here. It's my Destiny 2. There we go. Woo! Let's see the label here. Woo! I'm so excited. Sue, come out and see my new machine. Everyone's here. I can't wait to get this unpacked and show you how much fun we're going to have with it. We're going to make some awesome buttonholes. We're going to do some home deck projects. Sue, come see my new machine. Can't wait. Oh,